shout anyone out? Do you want to big up your mom and your granny? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Self-Care Sunday. It is your girl Black Cherry. And for today's video for Self-Care Sunday, we are going to be making some candle. And my inspiration for making this candle and buying this candle making set was my mom gave me a candle for my birthday. And it smells absolutely breathtaking. Amazing is not even the word. Breathtaking is the word. And she made them herself. Oh my god. If y'all could smell this. Whew. So I have this candle making set. And we also do have a special guest. Come on, special guest. So this is Mom. This is KJJ Gold. Also known as the owner of KJJ Gold Lux.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you got your screen time. Do you want to say anything to the camera? Do you want to shout anyone out? Do you want to big up your mom and your granny?
I'm done. She said big up your mama and your granny. Okay. Who should I big up? Black Cherry. My cherry. Before your cherry, my cherry. Anyway, thanks for having me.
I mean, you normally say that after the video done.
Thanks for inviting me.
Yeah.
I could say that after it's done, but thanks for inviting me. Shout out to my mama.
If you're watching
on all my looks.
Hey! Don't mind our outfits. It's Self-Care Sunday, so we're casual
chilling
and relaxed.
Chilling in a wig. Yes.
I don't know about her, but I'm the real one that's really chilling. Cause she had to put on a wig.
Girl, you don't want to see this hair.
Anyway, so let's get started. Well, we bought these candle making sets from Dollar Tree. I have the Fresh Linen Magnolia. Oh,
Hey, that's mine.
sorry.
Teeth.
So we both have different scents. So my scent is blueberry, magnolia, and sea spray melon. And everything comes in the box. So you don't need to purchase anything outside of just this for $1.09. You can't get better than that, sweetheart. What yours have?
Okay, mine is Fresh Linen, Magnolia, and Coastal Breeze. Mm-hmm.
Which one do you think is going to smell better?
Mine.
Mine doesn't smell better.
Mine will smell better.
Okay, so
Say do it yourself.
on the directions say, fill the wick jar with scented granules. Granules.
No, you said it.
Granules.
I'm
Layer
sorry.
the granules to create designs and patterns. Trim wick 1/4 of an inch before lighting and light the candle and enjoy. 4 steps in the direction, so that means you can't go wrong with making this do-it-yourself candle. We're gonna see what Dollar Tree talking about. Cause y'all see this? This is how. These are the examples. Cause you know Dollar Tree out here trying to do it big.
So right here, I'm just showing you guys the close-up of the candle making set. And then on this side, you guys will see that it gave some examples on how to decorate it with using all the colors that came in the box. So this is everything that came in our boxes. As you can see, some pieces were really, really hard. There than some, so we had to make it work and get those big chunks out. So I was there pressing mine down because the whatever you call it, the candle thing, is really, really soft. Meanwhile, my mom beating it, but okay. We finally got it to a nice small size that we both wanted. We wanted it to basically look like sugar. That was the texture that we was basically going for. So as you can see, I was there, struggling a little bit because I wanted to have like partitions in my candle. But y'all will see how it looks at the end. okay? Comment down below which candle came out the best, mine's or my mom's. And be honest, don't sugarcoat nothing. We can take criticism. So she tried to follow me, of course, and it ended up not working out for her, so she decided not to use the little cardboard. But I did enjoy making this candle. It was very relaxing and it was also very fun. And doing it with someone that you love makes it very much more interesting, because we were laughing and making jokes and everything about this Dollar Tree candle making set that we purchased. So it was a very calming self-care Sunday, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you love my content and would love to see more videos just like this. I hope you guys are enjoying your self-care Sunday and enjoying this beautiful video as well, and keep watching to see the final results. Also, y'all, don't laugh at me, but yes, I did use a butter knife to get it leveled, because I was not going to pat it with my hands like my mom. She was getting real down and dirty with the candle, but there was so many different scents going on, so I used a butter knife. So yeah. So right here, this was the final look of both our candles. This one was my mom's, and we both lit ours. And then this one over here with the pink is mine, and they both smell really, really good. I can say that the scents were really, really potent. And here is our little designs that we attempted. And I just put the candle and my good vibes from Dollar Tree on my little table so that I can finish up my Sunday with my planner and listen to some feel-good music. And then that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.